got stuck when we tried to purchase them, and the Doritos are blocking it, so we think those Doritos aren't going to come out.
Why?
Because look, they're not even in the store.
So even if the bag fits it?
Well, let's try it anyway.
Watch this be a waste of money. I'll actually tell them, I'll be like, I just put $1.50 in there and my chips didn't come out. Well, I think one of them got stuck. It's jammed now.
Just get your money back. Quick money back.
Then I have to do that all over again.
Pissed.
Oh my gosh.
And she goes back with change. Want those dill
We never
pickles?
had quarters, and quarters just came out.
Just want some damn dill pickle chips. See if the mission will work. Just get it, who cares? Wash your hands after. Now we're still getting our chips. Maybe it will come out actually. I'm confused, I don't even know. Keep your eye on the prize, that's all I say. Okay. V6. Oh my god, please God come. I'm done.